What's the meaning of bog? Bog. Bog.
Bog. Bog. The term bog refers to a type of wetland that is characterized by stagnant, acidic water, high levels of peat, and low levels of nutrients. Bogs are usually formed in areas with poor drainage, and they can be found in various regions throughout the world, such as Scandinavia, North America, and Russia. The unique conditions found in bogs result in a distinct ecosystem, with specialized plant and animal species adapted to the harsh environment. Additionally, bogs are important for carbon sequestration, acting as a long-term storage repository for carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, bogs can also be vulnerable to human activities such as logging and peat extraction.